video I want to do a product review really quickly of these plyometric jump boxes that I just purchased. I think it's great quality, and I really like this type of training equipment because it's built simple. It's not like a machine, like a treadmill where it can break down on you, where there's a motor and things like that. And it's a very effective exercise, and you're pretty much just using all body weight. If you wanted to, you could put a weighted vest on and even hold some weights if you wanted to make it even more intense. But jumping, is one of the best exercises out there for your overall health and wellness. It's a higher level than just squatting. You can add the squat in there with the jump. This is good for pretty much almost any athlete, no matter what you do. But definitely for the martial arts, and if you want to burn a lot of calories quick, you want to get a really great workout really fast, then this is something that's really worth your investment. I was able to get a really good deal on this on Amazon. I probably saved like close to $100. So it's something to worth looking into. One great thing that I like about it too is that they were delivered how they are right now. Like, I didn't have to assemble anything, and that's one of my concerns. Is like, oh no, am I gonna have to assemble everything? It's gonna take hours. No, it was just delivered the way that it is right here, and they're also stackable, so you can save space. This set right here is a set of 4. It's 12 inches, 18 inches, 24 inches, and 30 inches. So it is an increase of 6 inches for each one. I'll give you a closer look of how they look. That's the 12-inch one. This is the 18-inch. This is the 24-inch. And this is the 30-inch. Okay. So they're actually stacked. They're able to stack on top of each other to save space. I'll just quickly do a demo of each one. So here's the shortest one. This is the 12-inch. You just jump up. What I like to do is I usually squat and then jump, so it's like a double exercise. Okay, so you got that, and then here, this is 18-inch. $24-inch. $30-inch. But you see how it works. I'll stack them together. Right now you see. See how it stacks? It's really nice and neat. Saves space. It's an excellent workout. I really do highly recommend it. If you take care of it, it should last a very long time. Like, they're well built. I do have this step thing that I bought too. I spent a lot of money on it in the past. It's on sale now, but the amount of money that I paid for that probably is almost the same as how much I paid for this. And this is way higher quality. It doesn't move around as much and a lot easier to transport. You could also use it for other purposes, such as a table. You could, use it as even like a table. So I do highly recommend this. The step actually is not nearly as good quality as this, but it served its purpose. But the step is a little bit different because it's a wider surface. You can see this one here too. But that's the step right there. You'll see that it makes a lot more noise when you jump on top of it. But it's a wider surface, so it's not a bad product, but between the step and these plyometric boxes, I would recommend these plyometric boxes. I've seen online some wooden ones. I haven't tried those, but I think you might have to assemble those, and I'm guessing that it's probably heavier. Probably takes up more space. So this is something that I do recommend, and I think it's a great investment for people that are really serious about their training. So hopefully this product review helped you out, and I'm going to put the link down below so you can check out the product yourself. Take care.